Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome vlogs video. Today we have a special person. My friend Caleb is here.
Hey guys.
This is actually his first time being in the video. So right now we're gonna do a pack opening. The new set Twilight Masquerade. So yeah, let's get on.
Let's go.
So let's open this pack. And if Trey's watching this, he knows who it is.
Yep. I hope so. You gonna need help?
Nah. Oops. Nah, I don't need help.
Do you go?
Bismo.
See if we can.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait. 1, 2. Okay. Water Energy.
Okay.
Shinx. Clefairy. Varoom. Volbeat. Vegetable Grounds. Glimmora. Poliwrath. Sunflora. Jose and Growlithe. Oogadoogie.
Oogie Doogie, regular hollow.
Oogadoogie.
Oogie
Oogie. Everyone comment in the comment section. Oogie Doogie. Respect the Oogie Doogie.
Oogie Doogie.
Respect the Oogie Doogie.
Oh my god.
Respect the Oogie Doogie, guys.
What is Avery gonna get? So. Okay. Oh, Halucha, my favorite Pokemon. Got Halucha, Austin.
Oh, cool.
Halucha.
Tangrath, I think. Who is that? Vimpy. Chansley. Lucky Helmet. Reverse. Oh, wait. Mariana. Weberoom. Oops. Ooh! Aspect.
Oh, good one. Is that amazing rare?
No, that's Aspect.
Cool. Ooh! On full like card!
Watchwell.
That is crazy.
And Hologram.
And lightning energy.
I can't believe it. Hold up. Amy's getting his luck again.
I'm sleeving this. I'm sleeving 3 cards.
Thank you guys for watching.
I'm sleeving. Yep. Bye.
No, I don't. I want to do a cool outro. With you guys for watching. See you later.
Bye.